Hi, welcome to today's lesson with teacher Austine. Now, in the previous lesson we covered commission, and today I'd like us to look at higher purchase price. When we talk about higher purchase price, it's one approach of buying in the market field, and in the market we have two ways where people have been able to purchase whatever they want. One is cash price or cash method. This is where someone pays in full amount at once. And then the second one is the one we are looking at today, which is higher purchase price, that is HPP, which you pay installment. You pay the deposit, then later on you come and you pay the remaining amount of money, which you give it a name installment. So these are the two approaches in the business which we are using outside there in day-to-day activity. Buying things, you can either buy cash if you are good in terms of your account, go to the bank, get some cash, go to the showroom and you pay the cash in full and you have your car. Or you can use higher purchase price, whereby you go to the showroom, pay deposit, then the remaining amount of money you pay in bits. So let's look at the higher purchase price. How do we solve questions related with higher purchase price? Number one, we have to know of the following terms. One is deposit. This is the first amount of money that you pay. The second one is installment. Installment, then we have time, or you can call it duration. Now with these three, you'll be in position to sort out any question regarding higher purchase price. Now, what is the formula of finding higher purchase price? The formula is higher purchase price is equals to deposit plus monthly installment. Now, how do you get this installment? Installment is equals to the total time times the amount of money that you're going to pay each installment. That is cash paid each installment. That is the total installment amount. Now, let's have an example. You're told Moses bought a car and paid a deposit of 20 or 200,000. He is also supposed to pay installment fee of 35,000 per month, and is going to do these payments in 12 months. Now question is, how much did the car cost Moses? Now class, what you're having here is the deposit 200,000, installment 35,000 per month, and the time is 12 months. So in total, how much will he pay for that wonderful car? This is the working. We say higher purchase price is equals to deposit plus monthly installment. That is installment times the time taken, the total time taken. So we shall go ahead and say deposit is shillings 200,000 times 35,000 times 12. Sorry, the space is little there. Let's rewrite it again. We shall say deposit is 200,000 plus, open the brackets, 35,000 times time taken to clear, that is 12 months. This is 200,000 plus we have 35,000 times 12 months. Assume the zeros, so it's 35 times 12, that is 0 carry 1, 7, 5, 3, 0, 12, 4. So we're going to have 420,000. We return the 3 zeros. 420,000. Now when you add together, you're going to get, it is 200,000 plus 420,000, you'll have 620,000. This is the total cash that Moses will pay. His hire purchase price is equal to deposit plus total monthly installment. Total installment, which is hire purchase price is equal to deposit plus installment. Now, the second formula is a question where you're asked about deposit. So we shall say deposit is equal to hire purchase price minus total monthly installment times installment. This is the number of time, the time taken, and this is the amount paid per session. If it is 12 months, every month was paying 30, so 30,000, that is the installment. Total monthly installment, how many months was paying for 12 months. So the formula will be deposit is equal to hire purchase minus that. In a short way, we say deposit is equal to hire purchase price minus installment, the total installment. Now, the third question that also may appear is monthly installment. You ask about monthly installment. Monthly installment. How much was he paying per month? Per month, this month, how much was he paying here? Now, we know hire purchase is equals to, deposit is equals to hire purchase minus total month times installment. Now, in other words, we don't know this one now. We know this, and we know this one here. So we don't know the installment. So we say monthly installment is equals to, monthly installment is equals to hire purchase price minus deposit divide by number of months. This one will answer the question, how much was he paying per month? So we're having monthly installment is equals to hire purchase price minus deposit divided by the number of months. Now, maybe we do an example of this one so that we see exactly what you're talking about. In a very short way, we are told the hire purchase price of a pen. You bought a pen from your friend, you did not have cash. The pen you paid, hire purchase, you're told total amount you paid. Total amount you paid was 60 shillings. And this 60 shillings, you agree that you're going to pay him. What you have right now is 20 shillings. Then you say the remaining one I'll pay in the next 3 months or in the next 2 months. So time is 2 months. So how are you going to do that one? We bring in the formula. And what does the formula say? The formula says hire purchase price minus deposit divided by number of months. Number of months. So this is 60 shillings minus 20 divided by time is 2. So it's equals to 60 take out 20, that is 40. 40 divided by 2. Yeah, what? There, 20. So it's going to pay every month 20 shillings. And you'll have answered the question, monthly installment. How much are you supposed to pay per month? Per month, you'll pay 20 shillings. How do you arrive at 20 shillings? Is hire purchase price minus deposit divided by the number of months. And here's our example from the question. Hire purchase price is equal to 60 shillings and the deposit is 20 shillings. Time is 2 months. So what was the monthly installment? Monthly installment. That was the question that we were trying to answer out, and here's it. Now the third question, the fourth question, this is the first one, the second, the third. The fourth question that I want also you're supposed to be aware of. The fourth question is to do with number of months. Now from this question here, from number C, this one here, we know monthly installment, let's call it IM. We know monthly installment is equals to hire purchase price minus deposit over number of months. Now, right now, what we don't know is this one now. We don't know. We have been given, we don't know this. We have been given monthly installment, hire purchase, and a deposit. But we don't know number of months. How do you work it out? From this formula, we shall go ahead and say, multiply this side by number of month, multiply by number of month. We cancel this one with that one. This side divided by monthly installment, we divide this side by monthly installment. This one cross with that one. And we shall have our new formula as number of month is equals to hire purchase price minus deposit divided by monthly installment. And that is our third formula, that is D. When you ask how many months did it take to pay for this book, or for this car, or for this house, or whatever item somebody was buying, we say number of months is equals to hire purchase price minus deposit. When you subtract the deposit, you remain with amount to be paid, the total amount to be paid. Then you go ahead and divide with the time, or with each month. Then you'll get the total time taken to pay that. Example. You're told, let's make space for our example. Example in the question, you are told that Kamau paid for a house, hire purchase price, he paid 50,000 in total. He had paid a deposit of 30,000. And each month he paid installment of let's say 5,000. Then the question is, how many months did he take to clear the 50,000? So we don't know the total number of months. We know the installment, we know the deposit, we know the hire purchase. So using the formula, number of month is equals to hire purchase price minus deposit over monthly installment, which is equals to hire purchase is 50,000 minus deposit is 30,000 divided by monthly installment is 5,000. What do you have, class, from there? We have 15,000, take away 30,000. We are going to have 50,000, take away 20,000. 30,000, you're going to have 20,000. Divide by 5,000. 3 zeros with 3 zeros. 5 here 1, 5 here 4. So total time is 4 months. With that one, you have answered the question, the number of months. And that was our fourth type of question under hire purchase. I want to believe you have understood And the best way to know if you've understood what I've talked about is doing exercise. You do exercise, you try to find out from your book if it is correct, and then you do more practice and more practice on it, then you'll be okay to go. I want to request that after that, don't forget to do the follow-up of the next topic. The next topic, we shall be covering something to do again with money. I'll let you know when it will be ready. But for now, I wish to request you to stay at home. As I say always, coronavirus is real. It's outside there. Please stay at home. Be a good child. God loves you so much, and God wants to see you back in class the same way we wish to see you back in class. And therefore, stay at home for our sake and for the sake of your parents. Don't go outside there. As you do that, you'll be keeping yourself safe. Thank you, and have a beautiful day. Be blessed.